friends and crafters. My name is Kathy Case, and this is my channel, Create with KC. I'm so happy you're here. Please, at the very beginning, I want to say please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. It helps me out a lot. I appreciate it. Today, I want to show you something new. I am not a beginner card maker. I've been making cards for about 5 years. Started out with Stampin' Up! And then decided to not do Stampin' Up! Anymore and venture out into what the other companies offered. But I was looking at tailored expressions, and they have a beginner's kit, card making kit, and I thought this was a great idea. So what I want to do is show you what's inside. If you're a beginner crafter, I think this is a great idea. So let me switch my cameras around and we'll see what's in this box. Okay. It's in a hard case. It has latches. Very sturdy, very organized. We all like organization. So you open it, and the first thing you see is your welcome letter. And the welcome letter gives you their email address to contact them, customer support, and then a phone number, and then a little note from Taylor. And then down here you have a QR code, and it says follow this QR code to see step-by-step video instructions with Taylor for creating beautiful cards with the Get Started with Card Making Kit. So you just put your open your camera setting on your phone and put your camera over this QR code, and it brings up a website or the link to the videos from Taylor. Okay, so you get your stamp set, red rubber, and it's called Bits and Blooms. And there's flowers, leaves, stems, some little hearts, dots, and some sentiments. Really cute. You get Card Maker's reference guide, and it just gives you the measurements of the basic cards that we use. You get A2 envelopes in the color Sugar Cube, which is basically just white. It's what they call white, which is Sugar Cube. Then you get some cardstock, and I think these coordinate with the ink cubes. I'm not very familiar with Taylor's ink and cardstock color, what she names them, but I think they coordinate with the ink cubes that you get. And so the ink cubes are pink champagne, guava, sweet basil, blue corn, and Oreo. And I think these cardstock colors are pink champagne, guava, blue corn, and Sugar Cube. So you get your cardstock, your ink cubes, and then you get card bases, A2 card bases, side folding. You get 30 sheets, so possibility of 30 cards. You get your Stampin' Block, and you get double-sided adhesive. And then you get these technique cards. I'm calling them technique cards, but she's calling them TE maps, which TE stands for Tailored Expression, and she's calling these maps. So it tells you the steps, step 1, step 2, step 3. And there's 5. So it tells you what you need to cut your paper at to make your first card. And then on the back, there are idea sheets, and it tells you the colors that you need. So this is the first one. Here's another one with the colors and ideas. Really pretty. So there you go. And this word sentiment, it just tells you where you want to stamp your sentiment. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. You put all this back in here and flip the camera around. So that is the beginner's get started with the card making kit. So it's get started kit. So that's pretty nice. Okay, let me flip the camera back around. There you go. I think this is a great idea. I was really excited about it. And I was like, I'm not a beginner, but I got to have it. I got to have it because it gives you a sampling too of what colors Taylor Expressions offer. It gives you a taste of their stamp sets. You get a free stamping block. Well, it's not free, it's included in the kit. And a taste of their colors and the feel of their cardstock. So it's a great sampling. And if you wanted to teach card making, you could actually have a class and everybody order this, and virtually you could do these kits together, or even get together with your friends and do the kit with them. So yeah, I'm excited about this kit. I got an email. I didn't know they had it. It might be something new. I don't know. But I will link the website, Tailored Expressions website, in the description. And the product code so you can find it. I'll try to find a link. And that's it. That's what I like. I love it. So don't forget, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you'll get notified when I come out with a new video. I'm coming out with a new video, and I'm going to give you a sneak peek of it. So let me turn on my card cam and show you up close this card. And what I want to show you is the color cube. And this is a sample of the color cube. And this is the colors that I got by looking at this color cube and just using some scraps out of my scrap bin. So yeah, next video is this card. I'm going to make this, not this card, another card. And I'll show you how to do it. And I did use some Taylor Expressions products in this card. So again, like my video, subscribe to my channel. Y'all have a great day.